I wanna cry, but keep on smiling. Trying to be brave when I'm in the dark. You and me just keep on breathing, 'cause our bodies tells us to. I could as well just sleep forever. I'm so tired after all the hurt you put me through. Don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care. We can mend our heartaches with your despair. Stop being a martyr, it will never heal you. So stop saying that you're sorry when you know I don't care. We're sitting here, oh so silent, and you weren't there to speak your mind. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling. Like being brave when you're in the dark. You and me just keep on breathing, 'cause our bodies tells us to. I could as well just sleep forever. I'm so tired after all the hurt you put me through. So don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care. We can't mend our heartaches with your despair. Stop being a martyr, it will never heal you. So stop saying that you're sorry when you know I don't care anymore. Oh, I don't care anymore. Oh, I don't care anymore. Oh, I don't care anymore. We're sitting here, oh so silent. You won't dare to speak your mind. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling. I'm so tired, darling. Oh, so don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care. We can't mend our heartaches with your despair. Stop being a martyr, it will never heal you. So stop saying that you're sorry when you know I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Stop saying you're sorry. I don't say, so don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care anymore. I don't want your persona, I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach